I'm trying out some neoprene gloves today. Can't remember the brand off the top of my head. This is a large pair. My hands are relatively large, and I wanted to see what they were like for comfort and keeping your hands warm. Got elastic wrist straps. They've got like little beads, I think you can see those, little kind of grippy beads on the palms. They do feel really warm. But we'll see how we get on, eh? Well, these gloves seem okay. My hands are indeed very warm. And they are neoprene, kind of like wetsuit material. So what that should mean is if my hands get wet, they should stay warm. So let's do a test. I'm going to dunk one hand in the water and keep the other hand dry, and then I'll be able to compare how they actually feel compared to each other. Okay, so I've given this one a good soaking. It didn't let an awful lot of water through at first, but let's see how it goes. Okay, these gloves. Well, this hand isn't any colder. I can feel the fact that there's been water in the glove, but it doesn't feel, it feels marginally colder. Do you know what I mean? It's because your hand's in contact with water, but well, that's it really. So that's not bad. The drawback to these is you can't use your phone. I can't check on the... Oh, it has moved. We've done 1.67 miles. And we're nearly, I think, at the River Derwent. I didn't expect that to work on here, so maybe it does work on your phone. It's worked on the phone, so that's not so bad. I didn't expect that to happen. Bit of a surprise. I have to say, so far these gloves are doing really well. I've reached the turning point on my journey, and I have to say my hands do feel really warm. So yeah, they're doing good so far. One of the good things about these gloves is I have been able to do some fiddly stuff with it. So I'll take some footage and show you what I mean. These are my GoPro batteries, and I have been able to change the battery, remove this wind muff, take the camera out of the case, put a new battery in, all with these gloves on. Bit fiddly, bit faffy, but doable. Alright, so journey's end. What have these gloves been like? Gotta say, my hands are warm, although they are a bit of a chew to get off, and once you've got them off, because they're wet inside, because your hands have been sweating, they're a bit of a chew to get back on, I'm honest. However, they've done the job. I wasn't so sure about these beady things at first because it felt a bit slippery on the paddle, but actually you got used to it. Yeah, really warm. So I'll put some links in the description if you want to check these out. Not a bad price, can't remember how much they were off the top of my head, but if you click on the link it'll show you. But yeah, I'm going to buy some more during the winter months, try a few things out. I've got this pair of Ankia cycling gloves too to try out while I'm paddling. I'll try those out on the next trip out and I'll let you know what they're like. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little field test review for these gloves. Still can't remember the brand name. I'll put it on the screen. If you have enjoyed this, by all means give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, if you hit subscribe and that little bell notification, then whenever I upload a video, you get a little notification when you open up YouTube. How fabulous is that? And even more fabulous is, it costs you nothing. That's great, isn't it? Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Cheerio.